Hey guys, welcome to Rata 2000. Wanna know about Saber Athena's features and its weapon system? So, today we're gonna talking about Saber Athena's weapons like ionic twin blades, particle charger, its armor, powerful back-mounted rockets, and its operating system, and etc. Alright then, let's roll out. Saber Athena is an experimental Mark 7 Jaeger designed with an ultra-light frame utilizing high tensile muscle strength. Its sleek design allows it to perform feats ranging from high jumps and acrobatic leaps. Saber Athena was designed as a new approach to combating kaiju due to their increasing size and strength, rendering the strategy of overpowering them used successfully by older Jaegers obsolete. Instead of focusing on brute strength and armor, Saber Athena relies on its high agility to outmaneuver opponents, dealing a killing blow to an exhausted enemy with its ionic twin blades. Its high strength related to its weight and sleek design allows it to perform feats ranging from high jumps and acrobatic leaps, dash to sometimes edit the powerful back-mounted rockets that function like a jetpack. Saber Athena is armed with a pair of ionic twin blades, sword-like weapons mounted to its back that can be combined to create a larger and stronger weapon. Among its other weapons are an N16 particle charger, a magnetically accelerated plasma cannon that pops out of the Jaeger's left forearm. Saber Athena can be controlled by the onboard operating system. Its personality is from the droids with its pilots and is a fusion of both their personalities. Saber Athena's design invokes the look of high-performance sports cars such as the Lamborghini and the look of an insect. Its bright orange colors are in direct opposition of militarization of the Pan-Pacific Defense Corps muted color scheme reflecting that of a Coast Guard. Saber Athena's speed is aided by small propulsion jets designed into its arms and legs, allowing it to move quicker than its fellow Jaegers. That is why Saber Athena is the fastest Jaeger in the fleet. And this is all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. And hey, don't forget to subscribe if you're new in this channel. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Alright, signing off. This is Jaeger. See you next time.